Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barden Bella's outfit on Dress to Impress. Super simple to do, only little to no adjustments made for this. So I did adjustments on the scarf. I did this bow in yellow, FFC052 in these adjustments, X.43, Y.54, Z.53, and then rotated it at Y.81, Z.41, and scaled it to 0.29. Then I did this scarf in 3845566. In these adjustments, position it Y.6, Z.49, and scaled it all the way to 0. For the hair, you can do pretty much any that you want. I'm just going to do this in only bangs in this color. And I just did this updo hair in that color too. Let me just toggle the ears. I mean, you can't really see it anyways, but then we're going to go here, grab this top, and then color it white first in matte. And then we are going to color the third one, this color, 474B5B in denim. Then grab these shorts in that same blue color in denim. And then this skirt in high in denim too in that same blue. Then just use any shoes. I'm just going to use these ones in all black. And I'm going to use a microphone obviously because they're singers. Color it black and like gray, I guess, like this gray. And that is how you can create the Barden Bella's uniform on Dress to Impress. You can kind of adjust it to make it a little bit more modest. You can like add this and then maybe like add this tank top if you'd like to. Don't look at the back. And obviously remove this. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!